Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Seek joy and growth. Everyone has a place in the world, and we all have our share to create a greater humanity. Just make sure you're shedding light, not darkness, and don't fight contrast or others' perceptions. Accept that everyone's journey is unique, as we're all imparting a seed in some form. We tread the path of imperfections on a journey of trial and error to our destination. The most important element is acknowledging our progress and always seeking growth. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you are grateful for. I am grateful for my wife. I am very grateful for Danny and his work. And I'm very grateful to be able to read to everybody. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.